What is a VPN? A VPN is an acronym for Virtual Private Network. And a VPN is a technology that creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It's a remote server that actually passes through the VPN server, and it's actually acts as an intermediary, making it appear as if you're accessing the internet from the VPN server location rather than your own location, which means you can actually be in Canada and access the server of the UK. You can be in any country of your choice and actually access it. You can be in any country and actually access the VPN server of another country. And this is very good because of its enhanced online security, privacy, and anonymity. My name is Anadebayo, and this is my YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, we discuss about tech content, innovation, and design. Okay, if you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Without further ado, let's get right into the video of today. Welcome back to the video. This video is basically about the VPN, which is Virtual Private Network, how to use a VPN, reasons to use a VPN, the type of VPN you should look out for when you want to choose a VPN for your phone, your computer, or any devices you are actually using. How does a VPN work? Okay, a VPN, when you connect to a VPN, which is a Virtual Private Network, your internet traffic is encrypted, which means your internet traffic, every single thing you do is actually being secured by the VPN and routed through the VPN server. As I've said before, the VPN server, you could connect to a server of any country, any state around the world, or reaching the destination of the website or services. This process allows you to max out your real IP address and makes it difficult for anyone to actually know IP address, which means your government agencies, hackers, it will be so difficult. It will be very difficult for them to actually monitor your online activities. 3 reasons why you should use a VPN. For security reasons, a VPN encrypts your data and make it secure, protecting them from potential threats like hackers and digital breaches when using the public Wi-Fi network. This is really good in case you are like on an outing, you are in the airport, you are on a plane. This is really good because there are a lot of spiders in the web right now, actually crawling through the web to find information and sensitive data. So you using a VPN is something like top idea you can actually, like follow, because using a VPN actually marks out your IP address and actually make it difficult for hackers to actually track your location or actually hack into your phone or any of those stuff. You understand what I'm talking about, right? Another reason for using a VPN is privacy. VPN hides your IP address and online activities from your ISP and other third parties, which is really good. Enhancing your online privacy, access to restricted content. VPN can bypass geo restrictions and allow you to actually access content and websites that are blocked and unavailable in your region. Like now, in Netflix, there are some movies that are unavailable in some particular region. So you using a VPN can actually allow you to actually access those type of movies or music or basically anything else. Okay, the third reason why you're using VPN is anonymity. By maxing out your IP address, a VPN can act an extra layer of security to your online presence. So, as I said before, if you're using a VPN online, it actually marks out your IP address. It actually adds an additional layer of security. So hackers, SEOs, and other bad illegal people that are actually on the web, it will actually make it so difficult for them to actually track your location and actually hack into your devices. Types of VPN. I'm good. There are like a lot of VPN, but I'm going to be taking a little bit out of the VPN. I'm not going to be mentioning basically all of them. The first I'm going to be mentioning in today's video is a remote access VPN. It allows individuals to connect to a private network remotely, such as employee connecting to their company network from home. The second I'm going to be mentioning is a site-to-site VPN. It's connecting multiple networks together. Examples such as branch offices of a company to form a secure communication network. The third one I'm going to be talking about is client-based VPN. Software installed on individual devices to establish a secure connection to a VPN server. The fourth one I'm going to be mentioning is a browser extension VPN. It's a lightweight VPN solution that works as a browser extension. And a very good example is your Opera Mini browser. Opera Mini, if you notice, Opera Mini has a VPN. It's actually a browser extension VPN that works for Opera Mini. Most of the question asked in today's society is using a VPN actually legal? Using a VPN is legal in most countries, but there are some exceptions. Some countries impose restriction on outright bans on using VPN usage. Always check the laws regarding VPN usage in your specific location, area, or region. So be sure to check the laws of your country and be sure to abide by rules or regulations of your country. If your country actually don't allow the usage of VPN, you shouldn't use VPN. So just to be clear, okay, if you know you have enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. If you know this video be useful to anyone close to you, just anyone, you should consider sharing the video. And if you want more amazing tech content like this, be sure to smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside it and personalize it to all notifications. So you'll be the first to know if I post amazing tech content just like this one. There are some things to look out for when choosing a VPN service provider. When selecting a VPN service, there are some factors you need to consider. Security and encryption. You should be sure, very, very sure to look for a VPN that uses strong encryption protocols like OpenVPN or IKE-v2 /IP sec. I'm gonna put on the screen in case if you don't understand what I said. No log policy. Ensure that the VPN provider has a strict no log policy, meaning they don't store your browsing data, because there are a lot of VPN out there that actually store your browsing data and it's really not good. Server location. There are more server location a VPN has, a better chance you choose the one in which you can actually access your restricted content. Speed and performance. Some VPN can slow down your internet speed, so be sure to choose the very, very good performance. Platform support. Check if the VPN works on your preferred devices and operating system. So before you get a VPN, be sure to know if this VPN actually works on like your phone or your computer or your PC or any devices that you actually want to install the VPN or buy the VPN for. The seventh is VPN limitations. There are lots of this is actually a different one. A VPN limitation. There are a lot of limitations to VPN. A first one is actually slower connection. The encryption and routing process can lead to slower internet speed compared to your regular internet connection. And be sure to trust in the provider. Since your internet traffic goes through the VPN server, you need to trust your VPN provider not to misuse or sell your data. So you need to actually buy or use a VPN that is actually trusted. Like, you need to be sure to make your research while using when I buy a particular VPN or using, if you're using a free VPN, be sure to like know what the VPN does. If the VPN actually stores your data, because a lot of VPN actually stores data because you're actually using the VPN to actually connect to the internet server, right? So the VPN actually has the VPN is actually has the ability to actually see and look up and actually steal your data. There are actually some set of rules and instructions to actually avoid when using a VPN. When you're doing online and banking or sensitive interaction, you should basically avoid using VPN for online banking or sensitive information transfer, as it may interfere with the security measures implemented by the bank or any of your work connection or anything that has to do with sensitive information. Be sure to use a VPN when you sending sensitive information. Downloading copyrighted materials while using a VPN can provide a level of anonymity and a level of security. It is not actually guaranteed, so be cautious when you engaging in illegal activities, which you shouldn't do at all. Okay, remember, a VPN is a valuable tool for enhancing online security and privacy, but not a foolproof solution. Always use other security measures like strong password and two-factor authentication code, which actually being provided by a lot of social media platforms out there. And updated software to actually protect your digital presence in the online world. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, save this video for later if you think you may need it, and subscribe to get amazing tech content from me. And be sure to click on this video, this one right there, to see me interviewing a bond. So I interview tech savvy things. I will actually discuss the future of tech and innovation. Until then, see you in the next one.